Hello, my friend. Hope you're going great. In this video, I'll show you how to customize card color in Jira, a useful feature that enhances visual management and organization of your project tasks. Customizing card colors in Jira can transform your board into a more intuitive and personalized workspace tailored to your team's needs. Let's get started. First, navigate to the project you are currently working on. Locate the three dots next to your project's name. Clicking on these will display a list of options. Choose Board Settings from this menu. This area allows you to adjust various configurations related to your project board. Once inside the board settings, focus on the left-hand menu and select Card Colors. This is the section where you can modify how each card appears based on specific criteria. There are several ways to color your cards. One option is by issue type, enabling you to assign different colors to indicate whether a card represents a bug, a task, or a story. This provides a great visual cue for quickly identifying the nature of tasks on your board. Another method is by priority. You can set colors based on urgency levels such as high, medium, or low. This makes it easier to recognize tasks that need immediate attention simply by observing their colors. Additionally, you have the option to customize card colors by assignee, which is particularly helpful in larger teams to quickly identify who is responsible for each task. For more advanced customization, utilize JQL Jira Query Language Queries to set custom color rules. For instance, if you want all cards with a due date within the next 5 days to be read, you can configure a JQL query to accomplish this. This feature is especially useful for flagging tasks that require prioritization. To configure these card colors, first select the square in the color column next to each item and choose your preferred color from the palette. If you wish to revert a card's color to its global default, simply select Reset to Global Color. For those using JQL queries, click on Add Color to begin. You can then select a color from the palette or enter your JQL query to define your specific criteria and then attach a color to it. By following these steps, you'll have a personalized and visually efficient Jira board designed to fit your team's workflow. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.